Hello, in this lecture we will define control principle. According to Fundamental Accounting Principles, WILD 22nd edition, the definition of control principle is information system principle that prescribes an accounting system to aid managers in controlling, monitoring business activities. So the control principle is part of the principles of the accounting information system, the accounting information system being that system we're going to put together in order to get those financial transactions recorded, input, processed, stored, and then output. We have here the principles related: the control principle, the relevance principle, the compatibility principle, flexibility principle, and the cost-benefit principle. We here are concentrating on the control principle, often having to do with the processes, the procedures. We think about internal controls when we think about the control principle, methods of procedures allowing managers to control and monitor business activities. So some goals and objectives could be then direct operations towards common goals. We're going to put controls in there, systems, in order to direct the operations towards the goals. We are going to have procedures to ensure reliable financial reports. That's going to be one of our financial reporting goals. We want the financial statements to be reported correctly. Controls and internal controls will be put in place in order to ensure that that is the case. We have safeguards to protect company assets. So clearly we want to have controls in there that will safeguard the company assets, things like putting money in a secure area or having procedures to have separation of duties in order to have different people in a process so that not one person can then steal the money and not be caught for stealing the money. If we have multiple people involved, that's one of the major controls that we will have within a system. Methods to achieve compliance with laws. So we want to make sure that we have controls in place to comply with any laws, whether those laws be related to the creation of the financial statements, as well as any other laws that might be related to our industry. We want to make sure that we have the controls in there to make sure that we are in compliance with laws, with regulations.